Best skates comparison. Inline skating is a popular activity for fitness enthusiasts, recreational users, and beginners looking to develop balance and coordination. Choosing the right pair of inline skates can make all the difference in terms of comfort. List number: Papayasin Adjustable Inline Skates for Kids. The Papayasin Adjustable Inline Skates are a budget-friendly option designed for both kids and adults. These skates feature adjustable sizing, making them ideal for growing children or households with multiple users. The standout feature is the illuminated wheels, which light up during skating without requiring batteries. The frame is constructed from reinforced aluminum alloy, paired with 82A polyurethane wheels and ABEC 7 bearings for smooth rides. The skates also include a single brake design on the right foot, which is safer for beginners. Performance-wise, the Papayasin skates excel in recreational use and casual skating, especially for beginners and younger users. The adjustable sizing ensures longevity, while the illuminated wheels add a fun aesthetic touch. However, these skates are not suitable for advanced skaters or high-speed performance due to the smaller wheel size, 70mm, and mid-tier bearings. The included socks and customer service support enhance the overall value, but the lightweight frame may compromise durability under heavy use. List number 2. Rollerblade Zetterblade Women's Adult Fitness Inline Skate. The Rollerblade Zetterblade Women's Inline Skate is a mid-range option tailored for casual and novice skaters. With a durable monocoque frame, 80mm 82A wheels, and SG5 bearings, these skates offer a balanced combination of stability and moderate speed. The high cuff design provides additional ankle support, making it easier for beginners to learn skating. The padded liner and secure closure system ensure a snug and comfortable fit, while the sleek black and light blue design adds a touch of elegance. In terms of performance, the Zetterblade Women's Inline Skate is ideal for fitness skating and recreational use. The durable frame and high cuff enhance stability, making it easier to maintain balance. However, advanced skaters may find the SG5 bearings limiting in terms of speed. The skates are slightly heavier than others in the category, which could impact maneuverability for some users. Overall, these skates are a great choice for beginners and casual skaters seeking comfort and durability. List number: Rollerblade Zetterblade Men's Adult Fitness Inline Skate. The Rollerblade Zetterblade Men's Inline Skate is the premium option in this comparison, offering top-tier comfort and stability for recreational skaters. It features a high-cuff shell, padded liner, and secure closure system for a snug fit. The 80mm 82A wheels and SG5 bearings provide moderate speed and durability, while the monocoque frame lowers the center of gravity for enhanced stability. The sleek black and silver design appeals to men looking for a professional aesthetic. This model is ideal for beginner to intermediate skaters seeking a reliable and comfortable option. The high cuff design simplifies learning, while the durable frame ensures longevity. However, like the women's Zetterblade, the SG5 bearings limit speed potential, making this less suitable for advanced users. The slightly higher price reflects the premium build quality and brand reputation, making it a worthwhile investment for recreational skaters. List number: DerbyARO Q60 Women's Inline Skates. The DerbyARO Q60 Women's Inline Skates are a mid-range option designed for fitness and recreational skating. Featuring a soft boot design with memory foam padding, these skates prioritize comfort. The aluminum tri-coil frame adds durability, while the 80mm Elite Speed wheels and Bevo Gold 7 bearings ensure smooth rides. The ventilated toe cat and carrying loops are thoughtful additions for convenience and breathability. These skates perform well for casual fitness skating and light recreational use. The memory foam padding provides superior comfort, while the Elite Speed wheels offer good traction and moderate speed. However, the soft boot design may lack the support needed for more aggressive skating styles. Additionally, the brake placement on the right skate may require adjustment for some users. Overall, the ARO Q60 is a solid choice for women seeking comfort and style. List of inline skates for women, girls. Adjustable size rollerblades for adult female. The Rolling Bunny inline skates are a versatile option for women and girls. featuring adjustable sizing and a vibrant pink design. The hard shell construction, triple protection system, and ABEX 7 bearings prioritize safety and smooth performance. The 72mm 83A urethane wheels are wear-resistant and suitable for indoor and outdoor use. The padded liner is removable for easy cleaning, enhancing comfort and hygiene. These skates are ideal for beginners and casual users, offering excellent safety features and a comfortable fit. The adjustable sizing accommodates growing feet, making them a practical investment for younger users. However, the smaller wheel size limits speed and performance for advanced skaters. The bright pink design may not appeal to everyone, but it adds a fun touch for those who enjoy personalized aesthetics.